Audio Jungle.
What data is a source of AI local business answers? So what's critical? So that structured, consistent business information across all platforms. So I need you to worry about Google, Bing, Yelp, Apple Maps, all the major search engines, Facebook, Instagram, a well-optimized Google business profile. So Google is regarded by all AIs, not only as Gemini, as the top result. So, getting all of your business information, even getting a virtual tour on your Google listing, that's important to help the AI results. All of the sites are important, but Google's king. High quality website content. So one, get a website. Two, make sure that you have information built out. Laundromats, again, don't have a ton of information that needs to change too much, but really build out, the different types of information you have about the size of your washers, how the process might work, building out FAQs on your website too. Recent frequently updates, I mentioned the fresh content gets priority. Strong online reputation, so review volume, velocity, and the review responses. And then authority signal. So mentions on relevant, reputable sites. So, anytime that you can get anyone to call out your business or call out your website where there's those credible backlinks to your site, that is another thing that kind of waves. Again, I'm here in business. So I mentioned responding to reviews is your secret weapon to ranking well online. One, reviews are important, even if it's review responses are important to both positive and negative reviews. Oftentimes I'll hear businesses say, well, they're good reviews. I don't need to respond to them. I only need to respond to the bad reviews. Or I only need to respond to the most recent reviews. The reviews from 10 years ago maybe don't matter. My advice to any business is to respond to every single review, positive or negative. One, if you're responding to the positive reviews, you are also looking like you're really good with customer service. Like you care about what your customers are saying, you're engaging with them. You look like a business owner that really, invests in your communication with your customers, and you just look like somebody that they'd be more likely to want to work with, right? And the negative reviews, sometimes we get the negative review and we're like, I'm not even going to respond to that because I don't think it makes any sense. And, they were really mad that day and I just don't think I can reason with them. Responding to the negative reviews isn't only about that customer, it's about a future customer who looks at your reviews. But when it comes to AI results, what's great about reviews is there's a lot of content about your business. So you're going to reinforce your services, your location specialties, right? So if you have wash, fold, dry, if you have, early morning pickup, if you have, potentially maybe you offer dry cleaning services. I mean, there's a lot of variety that businesses have in their laundromat. It's going to reinforce that because they literally list it in their review, and your review response can reference that too. Shows activity engagement. So AI favors businesses that look alive, not abandoned. So consumers like to see that you're active, interacting with your listing, because it's like, okay, they are in business, they're paying attention, but it's also the thing that AI looks at. But this is just going to increase your chances.